Assalamu alaikum everyone, you're welcome to my channel. If you are new here, just subscribe to my channel E-Tech on Eric TV Dubai. So do you know that you can apply jobs online in Dubai using this app called Mourjan on top? Do you know that? If you don't know, let me show you how you can use this app to apply jobs online in Dubai. But first of all, you have to make sure that you subscribe my channel, like the page, and then share to everyone. So like I was saying, so the first thing you have to do is, if you want to download this app so that you can search for a job in Dubai. As I was saying, most people come to Dubai and they find it difficult to apply jobs online. Sometimes most of the agents, they fail them, and then because of that they are being to overstay for long. So if you are in Dubai and you want to search for a good job online, this is the best app that I can give it to you. That is Mourjan. So the first thing you have to do is you go to the Play Store on your phone, and then you search for Mourjan. You can see it is telling you to install. That is Mourjan, this one, telling you to install. So what you have to do is you press install. So as you are waiting, it is booting. The network is down, but all the same it will come. So you install this app. It's gradually installing the app. It's gradually installing the app. So it has finished downloading. Now it is installing on your phone. Now it is installing. So it has finished installing on your phone. So what you have to do is you click on this button, open. What you have to do is you click on open. So this is what's going to ask you. So what you have to do is just tell them later, no thanks. You can say later or no thanks. If you want to rate them too, you can rate them. So that is it. So when it comes like this, now you can see that everything is now on your phone. So this is the main app. So as you can see, this is the app, the Mourjan, and you know we are in Dubai. So what you have to do is, it said post an ad, account balance, real estate, cars, jobs, service, miscellaneous. You see all these things. When you enter any one like this miscellaneous, that's what is going to lead you. So when you download the app, and then you finish it, finish install on your phone. What you have to do is, you are looking for a job, whether in a real estate or a car section, or you are looking for jobs in any other aspect, or services, or miscellaneous. So all these kinds of things. So assuming, let's say you want to search for a job, so what you have to do is you click on the job button. This here, you click on the job, and then you go to this job like this. So when you click on this job, what you see here is we have tourist and restaurant, we have drivers, we have sales and marketing, craftsmanship, or somebody will say craftsman, engineering, beauty care, construction, education and training, housemaid, accounting, labor technician, customer service, employees, cleaning workers, administration, gas and security, secretarial or secretarialship works a lot. So what you have to do is any field of your choice that you want to venture, any field of your choice you want to venture. Let's say you want to venture into construction. So what you have to do is you click on construction. You click on construction, and then you come to this side, the construction section. So when you come to construction, you can see they've written vacancies, they've written seeking work, and then services. So this means that those of you who are looking for vacancies in construction companies, you have to click on vacancies. If you are seeking, if you are looking for a job and then you want to place your CV also here, or you want to advertise yourself here, you can also do same. So that is why they have written seeking work. And then also like services, that is it. So we are looking for job. So what you have to do is you click on vacancies. So you click on vacancies and it will come like this. Now as you can see, we have a lot of vacancies here. You have a lot of vacancies here. So this one is saying that this one 1 hour ago, and then they posted, it said urgent hiring mechanical BMI modeler. As you can see, it's there. So when you click, let's say you want to check this work. So they are telling you to send CV. And then the most important thing of this, the most interesting part of this website is that this site is that any work that they post, they'll make sure they give address, or they give their email, so that you can able to apply the work easier. So this is the company number. When you come down, this is the work. There is the work, and then there is the company number. So when you come down, you find the company number. The 2 numbers are for the company, and then also the email address is for the company. So whatever means that you want to apply the job, whether by calling or whether by WhatsApping them, or by calling them, or by sending them email, that is up to you. So that's how you search for a job on Mourjan. So this is how you search for a job on Mourjan. You can go on and on. He said this one too is 2 hours ago. He said urgently require fiber glassmaking technician, AC technician, tile season, steel phaser. So all these things. So if you click on this one too, it's going to send you. He said visa accommodation. They provide visa, they provide accommodation, they provide transportation. All these are provided by the company. So interested candidate can send their CV. So as you can see, when you come down, you will see the company email address. So you send the email address, you send the email, you forward everything, your document to this email address, and they are going to call you. If they not call you, then that means that they are still looking for people to employ. So the appropriate time they will call you. It's not the matter of you send a message today and then they will call you. Sometimes it will happen that they will call you the next day. Sometimes it will happen, it will be delayed. So that's how it is. So that's how you can use Mourjan to apply for jobs online. So that is it. So let's say you are looking for a job, and then you want to also place your CV here in this app Mourjan. You can come here by clicking on this seeking website, seeking job. You click on this seeking job. Now like you will see, somebody have posted it. It said marketer and mediator for general construction project, general decorations, general experience, and etc. Etc. You see, so the person is trying to say that he has worked for 7 years with construction company, and then you can be able to work So as you can see, this is the person's number, the person who is looking for a job. This is her number. So as you can see, you can also put your CV here, or you can put your you can advertise yourself here. So this is how Mourjan works. So if you are in Dubai and then you want to search for a job, and then you can't find any website to search for a job, I'm telling you that what you have to do is what, use Mourjan to search for a job, and definitely you're going to get some to do. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope it will be good for you to get a job to do. So thank you very much, and make sure you subscribe to the channel Eric TV Dubai, so that each and every day if I bring new content, you can also watch it. Thank you, and God bless you. Assalamu alaikum.